Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Tamim, and I have with me Dr. Vinit Kumar, who secured third rank in PGI in the recently conducted June 2020 exams. So, Vinit, huge congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Please tell about your journey and give an introduction about yourself first.
Hi, everyone. My name is Vinit Kumar. I'm from Bangalore Medical College. I secured rank 3 in PGI and rank 33 in AIMS and rank 104 in NEET 2020. And I was a Bhatia Foundation batch student. I started preparing from the foundation batch in third year. I attended classes in the third year and made notes. And in the final year also, I attended all the final year subjects and made notes of the final year subjects. In internship, I read the notes of the final year subjects and all the subjects, and I used to do questions from online platforms, practice questions from online platforms, and make add the points to the notes. Not many points, like notes had almost sufficient points just to revise before the exams. I used to add points to the notes.
Okay.
And
So, a few questions here. I think you've got, first of all, amazing ranks.
yes,
And it's just been great to hear amazing 102 in NEET, you said.
104, sir.
104 in NEET. Amazing. So, you started in third year, you said.
Yes, sir.
So, in third year, did you attend all the classes, or you were selective about what classes to attend?
I attended all the classes, like preferably first year and second year classes. I attended and made notes very well, like so that I can have notes and I should not waste one more year after internship. Because BMC internship is hectic, we don't get time to read during the internship. Like we can't make notes during the internship. That's why I made notes during the third year of first and second year subjects, preferably.
Okay, so those who are undergraduates, I think this is a very important information, especially if you are in the south where internships are quite busy. If you are preparing in your third year, make sure you finish your notes in the pre-final final year, and when you go to internship, you'll just have time to do questions and just revise. So in these 2 years, when you made notes, were you able to revise them properly? I mean, during UG, how useful were these, first of all, in your UG exams?
UG exams, final year subjects notes were like more than enough for me. I read for UG exams medicine and surgery notes. That's
Okay.
also like I read Harrison textbook. Like that was the only textbook I was reading for medicine. I can't read it before the day of exams, so I read your notes before the day of exams.
Okay, great. So as far as the MCQ platform is concerned, you said one is you did online. Did you do
Yes, sir.
offline also, subject-wise guides?
No, sir. Online, only online.
Online you use. Okay.
For only question practice, I used online.
Okay, okay. And as far as the internship phase, we know that BMC is very hectic and it's very difficult. So, were you able to revise all the subjects once, or how was your thing in internship?
I made a plan to, like December I had exams, so I made a plan to finish off the first reading until September. Then take 2 months of revision. Then last 1 month of final revision. I did all subjects till September. Like I covered superficially till September all subjects. Like at least I have to have some idea of all subjects, and next 2 months I did revision of all the important subjects. In last 20 days I had holidays, like to prepare properly for NEET. That time I revised most of the things from the notes. I read only notes during those last 20 days. That helped a lot through NEET.
Great. So I think during internship, getting such a good rank is really a very good reward. It's really amazing. So generally, post people after getting such a good rank and that too doing internship, they start celebrating and enjoying. You were getting, I think, what subject had you taken in NEET?
NEET I had got RML medicine and Safdarsang internal medicine. In
Okay.
second round I got Safdarsang
Great.
internal medicine.
So those are very good colleges. What motivated you to continue studying?
I always wanted a medicine seat in Central Institute, sir. That was the only motivation I had. Central Institutes, it's very difficult to get in. I knew like there are only 4 or 5 seats, and but I took the chance. Like even if I waste this, I have this backup of a NEET rank, and instead of wasting, like spending holidays, I read. I was motivated to get into Central Institute, so I continued reading, and I revised most of the things that helped in central institutes also.
So I think third rank in PGI is really amazing. So for PGI particularly, did you do any other preparation other than the routine stuff, other than the
Frankly,
notes?
I didn't expected third rank, sir, in PGI. I read all the notes. That was the only main factor. If you know more, you can answer more. Like it was all true and false questions. It's if you know in depth, you can answer well. It's not like AIMS. You can rule out options and do questions. So it's better to have deeper knowledge in all the subjects for PGI.
Okay. Any particular topics you think in PGI that are more important than what we see for NEET and AIMS?
In PGI, the surgery scorings and all very important, and GI surgery and medicine, pharmacology, second year subjects are also very crucial, and molecular biology is one topic they are repeatedly asking, and that is very high yield. Biochemistry in first year, and second year pathology, pharmacology, and final year surgery. Not emergency and all, like AIMS focuses on emergency, trauma
yeah.
and all. But here, all the GI surgeries, all
Really
other
important, yes.
very important.
Okay. So for PGI particularly, do any practice questions?
Like I after AIMS, I had only 2 days of time for PGI this year.
Okay.
Like only I did 2018 and 19 papers of PGI in those 2 days.
From Manoj.
Yes, sir, from the book.
Okay, from the book author Manoj, right? So you did just 2 year PGI papers,
2 year
and
PGI
you
papers.
felt repeats were there in that?
Repeats were like in the topics, it was repeats, like not the direct repeats were there. It was helpful, sir.
Okay. So even AIMS this time you got a very good rank.
Yes.
How was your experience about AIMS, and what did you do before the AIMS exam?
AIMS exam, I was actually like I did silly mistakes.
33 you got, no? In AIMS?
33.
Okay.
I was expecting a good rank, but 33 is also a good rank, but
Yes,
I
it
did
is.
silly mistakes. That's why costed me. Like I knew after writing AIMS, I was not getting medicine. I knew that, and I studied the previous year papers, and I knew PGI solving time management is very important for PGI. I did like one mock test also I took from Bhatia PGI online mock test. Then every 30 minutes I used to like keep target of 45 questions. In the end, I got like 20 minutes left
This
after
year in
solving
the actual exam.
in the actual exam. That
Okay.
was helpful. I came back, I marked one more option. I used to mark two options, not more than two options
In a
in
question.
the first go.
Okay.
Then I marked third options if I was sure. Then
Right.
it helped me. Time management is very important for PGS.
Okay. And out of the 1250 choices, approximately what percent of choices do you think generally one should attempt?
I think they should attempt anything above 600. Like
So at least 50%
at least 50%. If you attempt, it will have more positive value than.
Yeah. Actually, one of the things I've seen is PGI, because of the fear of high negative marking, people under attempt, and they don't get enough score to get a good rank.
It's
So I
better
think-
if you go with an open mind to the exam than fearing you should attempt less, you should attempt more. You should not think like that. If you know you're perfect,
Every
and
choice like a
every
true and
choice,
false.
yes,
You think it's true, go ahead.
go ahead, and don't go with a prefixed mind that I'll attempt only 400, I'll attempt above 700. It's not like that. You attempt if you know, and for every question there will always be a second option which is hidden. Like one option will know this is the answer. If you are in doubt for second option, it's better to go for second option. For third and fourth options, only if you are sure, you can go for that.
Okay. Do you think the choices in PGI are tricky?
Yes, sir, they are tricky. Like, but the questions were easy, options were tricky.
Right. So for AIMS, did you do previous year papers?
AIMS, I did all the previous year papers, like 2 years, 4 papers I did, sir. Like, there were many repeats in AIMS. The main key in AIMS and all the single best answer questions is avoiding the silly mistakes and getting the repeats correct. Repeats correct and avoiding silly mistakes is half the job done. Difficult questions, it's gonna difficult for everyone, so that's not gonna matter more. If you do one mistake in silly questions, your rank gonna fall.
So I think kind of it was expected this year repeats will come because of the corona thing. I think we already anticipated a lot of repeats will be there. So that got proved true this time.
There were repeats, but the new pattern also got changed. Like
Yes,
to
so it
single
was the
best,
old pattern.
It was old pattern, but November we can expect the
New pattern.
new pattern. Video questions and all will come.
Okay. So this year images also are not that many, is it?
Not many images.
Okay. So in your preparation during the time you were attending classes, how
Yes,
was
sir.
your typical week?
Like we used to have in foundation batch we used to have classes only on the weekends, sir. Like Saturday, Sunday, weekend, and we used to attend. I used to revise those notes in the 1 week in third year, and preferably first year and second year subjects I used to read. Third year subjects, anyways, we are reading it for prof, and that is also covered. So before coming to final year, I was thorough with first and second year. Most of the first, second year, and third year subjects. First year subject I was for like will forget in the biochemistry is very volatile. It's better to start internship by doing first year subjects, but then you cannot skip them, and during revision also it will help.
Okay. So when you started, the moment you finish your final year, you started revising the
I started
first year
revising
subjects.
the first year subjects.
How much time did you have after final year exams till internship started?
Final year exams ended like only on 20 days.
You got 15-20 days gap.
That's all.
Okay. So I think you have planned your studies quite well, and I think this is a very good advice to your juniors. They need to start early. They need to be focused. One of the things that we notice is that undergraduates generally are very casual in the classes. The way we see post-interns sitting very alert in the classes, that's not the way we see undergraduates, and they take it very easily. The few people who do take it seriously end up with top ranks. So huge congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
How would you suggest the way undergraduates should prepare when it comes to, and how they should keep their motivation, because you were persistent and that's how you got these kind of ranks?
Yeah, first they should have a dream. They should focus on what branch they want, and they should be persistent with their efforts. It's not like reading one day and skipping another day and losing motivation. Your classes, like you always motivated then. Those are very help me, and I used to study continuously because of that motivation, and yeah, that's all. They should be motivated and keep reading as early as they start. It's better for them.
Great. So it's really been a pleasure. I think this is my second interview that I'm recording with
Yes,
you.
sir.
So it's really been awesome. What faculties in Bhatia do you think were really very helpful to your preparation?
All the faculties of the Bhati are very good, sir. If I had to mention names, first I'll take your name only. Medicine, your notes are the gold standard. I didn't read any other thing. And coming to other subjects, anatomy, Ashwani sir's notes are very good, and the image based like cadaveric discussions, all his YouTube videos also, they also very helped.
Okay. Right. So I think he's summarized in a very good way as to how a student should be prepared and how they should constantly be motivated. So in these years in the UG, in your internship, did you feel at any time that is getting too much? I need to take a break.
I
I'm
used to
frustrated.
take breaks, sir. Like during these last 3 months, it was very, because of the outbreak, it was very like,
Depressive.
and we can't focus continuously. I used to take 1 or 2 day breaks. I used to watch series and movies, and then I used to continue with 2 weeks of reading.
But still, it's remarkable. After having getting such a good rank, having picked up something in the NEET counseling, still you persisted and you gave a
Yes, sir.
good attempt for these exams, and that paid the results. So getting third rank, and I'm sure you're going to get your field of choice. So I think it's really amazing.
Thank you, sir.
It's been a real pleasure talking to you again, and best wishes to you. I hope you succeed. Any final words of advice before we end?
Yeah, I would like to advise prepare seriously from early, and if you are joining foundation, it's not a waste. Like if you prepare seriously, you can get single digit ranks also. You should aim high, and then you can get high. Only if you can aim that high, you can achieve it.
Great. So huge congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.